Hello everyone, my name is Perry Rockwood, and today I'll be talking about the Taj Mahal. So first off, I would like to start with the man behind the masterpiece. This man, his name is Shah Jahan, and he was born in 1592 AD as a prince to his father, Emperor Jahangir. His name actually means joyful in Pakistan, and from an early age, that's what he was. He was joyful and special, and was destined to be a great leader. He was able to prove this by being a very good soldier. Even at an early age, he showed great instincts of leadership and of being able to lead others into war. He also shared a deep passion and love for architect and for the arts, and he was a very talented builder. At the age of 15, which is very young, he married Arjumand Banu Begum, and she to him was the most precious thing on the earth. He even gave her the name of Taj Mahal, which means jewel of the palace. And according to Shah Jahan, she was the love of his life. He had had other wives and other lovers, but of all of them, he loved Mumtaz the most. And sadly, in 1631 AD, she died while she was giving birth to their 14th child. And because of this, Shah Jahan was very sad, even depressed. But because of his love for Mumtaz, he wanted to make sure that her loss didn't go unnoticed. He wanted to build her a beautiful memorial in a beautiful place that would stand forever as a monument to her. That's the background of the Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal now is one of the 7 wonders of the world, and it is located in Agra, India. Over 22,000 workers and 1,000 elephants took part in the construction of this building. People from all over the empire were commissioned to help and to labor for over 22 years to complete the Taj Mahal. There was even a ramp located in the center of Agra that went all the way up to the top of the Taj Mahal that was over 10 miles long for workers and stonemasons and artists to carry their materials to work on the building. The building is very symbolic. It is very delicate, and the paintings in it are all symbolic of traditions and of love. Most importantly, the Taj Mahal is a tomb. It's a sacred tomb for Shah Jahan's wife, Mumtaz. And now, after his death, his tomb was also carried next to hers, and they lay together in the Taj Mahal forever. Here are some pictures of the Taj Mahal on the inside. Those are the 2 tombs where they lay. The 2 pictures on the right, on the top and the bottom, are of one of the rooms and one of the hallways, and then the one on the bottom left is of the outside of the Taj Mahal and its beauty. So who were the Mughals? The Mughals were a people who controlled vast land in what is known today as India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, and Afghanistan. The Mughals were at their dominance during Akbar the Great's reign. Akbar the Great was the grandfather of Shah Jahan, and as he was in power, the Mughals were growing and prospering as an empire. They were beginning to be more wealthy and to control more parts of the land. And Akbar actually started a love of architect and building with both Hindu and Persian influences. And as we can see, this passion was passed into Jahan, who was the builder of the Taj Mahal. So what does the Taj Mahal signify for this people? Honestly, what it signifies are all these things listed: prosperity, power, beauty, love, peace, confidence, and stability. The Taj Mahal is one of the most beautiful buildings in the world. As we know, it took over 22 years to build and was very expensive. Yet it still stands today, and it is a place where thousands and millions of people visit to see the beauty and the power that comes from it. I'm sure that this is Shah Jahan's vision as he built this memorial for his lovely wife, that he wanted it to be a place that would stand forever and that would show the prosperity of the Mughal people. Thank you so much for listening. I hope you guys have a great day.